Welcome to LowFlow Valve maintenance videos. This is a JRPH disassembly and rebuild. These are the tools you will need. Krytox, torque wrench up to 200 inch-pounds with a 1/4 inch Allen head, adjustable wrench, and a pick to remove O-rings. These are the items included in your repair kit. O-ring for the soft seat holder, the soft seat, backup O-ring, plug, spring, O-ring, small backup ring, and small O-ring where the backup ring will be flat on one side, concave on the other, so the O-ring will sit inside. Finally, a larger backup ring and O-ring set. First, remove the adjusting knob. Then remove the bolt for the spring housing. Once all of the screws are loose, lift up the spring housing. Remove the upper spring guide, range spring, and lower spring guide. Next, remove the piston and cylinder out of the body. Remove the piston by pushing downward through the cylinder. Now remove all O-rings and the backup ring from the cylinder. Flip the valve over. Remove the bottom cap. Now remove the plug, the O-ring, and the backup ring from the bottom cap. Also remove the backup ring and the O-ring from the plug. Turn the body upside down and remove the seat holder, soft seat, and O-ring. Now you are ready to rebuild your valve. Install the backup ring with the flat side facing down into the cylinder. Apply Krytox on the O-ring and put the O-ring on top of the backup ring. The cylinder will look like this when the backup ring and the O-ring are installed properly. Install the piston into the cylinder by pushing it through. Using Krytox, install the large O-ring into the groove in the bottom of the cylinder. Place the piston and cylinder into the body. Put the lower spring guide over top of the piston. Then place the range spring on top. Then place the upper spring guide onto the lower spring guide. Now replace the spring housing. Tighten the bolts into the body. Using a torque wrench, cross torque each bolt at 200 inch-pounds. Turn the body upside down. Install the O-ring with Krytox onto the seat holder and the soft seat with the red dot facing out into the seat holder. Install the seat assembly into the body, making sure it goes down tight. To install the new backup ring, the flat side should go toward the bottom, with the concave side facing up. Apply Krytox on the O-ring and place it on the backup ring. Apply Krytox on the O-ring and place it on the plug. Now place the backup ring on the plug. Install the return spring and plug assembly into the bottom cap. Install the bottom cap assembly into the body. Tighten the bottom cap until a positive mechanical stop is felt. Turn the valve over. Thread the adjusting knob into the spring housing. Now the valve is ready for service. If you have any questions about this video, please email us or call us at the phone number listed on the screen. Also, be sure to visit our website www.lowflowvalve.com for more information. Thanks for watching.